We always hear people talking about giving back, and I just like doing pro bono work because we're very blessed being members of the legal community, and I just think that we should share God-given talents with the less fortunate.
As a lawyer, I've always tried to emulate my dad's ideals of what it means to be a lawyer and the many powers, as he'll often say, that accompany being a lawyer.
What I've learned from Jay is to how to use my talents and to use the position I have in society to the fullest of my potential to reach out and help other people.
I became a federal district court judge in February 2002. One of my first weeks on the bench, a number of the judges in our building went down to our local homeless shelter, and we served food to the homeless. But as lawyers, we can do more than serve food.
The pro bono work that Judge Zainey does is important for our guests because they get services that we would have to pay for, and now they're offered free.
In May 2004, I helped to create the H.E.L.P program. H.E.L.P stands for Homeless Experience Legal Protection. The mission of the H.E.L.P program is to provide legal consultation services to the homeless.
Judge Zainey bringing the services here happened very simply. He said, I would like to offer legal services. What can we do? And I started talking to him about the difficulty of our guests getting IDs, and he said, we can do something about that.
Without an identification card, they cannot spend the night in a homeless shelter. So Sister Vera and I were discussing this issue one day, and we decided, well, my gosh, what if before a person loses his or her identification card, if we get lawyers to make certified copies of the cards?
When they get their IDs, very often they come back and they're holding them up like, I've won something. I've got an ID, now I am somebody.
A lawyer will notarize a document, and that will mean providing a roof over a person's head for 30 days. That's the power of an attorney. What is preventing many people from escaping the bonds of homelessness are simple traffic citations or simple municipal city offenses.
In 2008, Jay Zainey came to me. He wanted to start a homeless court in New Orleans, which would help homeless individuals who were regaining their lives.
And the homeless court serves, we hope, as a model for other states or other cities around the country to follow the protocol that we have set out.
There is no one that I know anywhere in the country who has done more from a pro bono standpoint.
A majority, if not close to all people that my dad helps have no idea that he's a judge or even a lawyer. They just look at him as a man who cares.
I think Jay is very deserving of this award because he really gives an opportunity for a disenfranchised population, the homeless, to be heard and to feel human.
Judge Zainey goes out of his way to help not only with legal services, but whatever, any other services that are available. He has a real heart, a loving, caring heart for those who are suffering.